It's your boy Grant here, and I know I took forever, like forever, to put this video out, but the video is finally here. I know it. I did the unboxing to this a month or two ago, and all I can say is I'm finally doing the video. And the main reason I'm doing the video now is because I got this rental camera that I got for a video shoot that I gotta do for my church tomorrow. They asked me to record the MLK breakfast that we have every year at my church, but I'm doing the video because I'm trying to see if this is a better quality than what I record on my actual phone. And that's another reason I waited so long, so that I can do it when I got this camera. With that, I'm doing a review of the Steelseries Arctis 1. Let's get into it. So, these headsets. If y'all remember, about a year or two ago, I did a review of the Turtle Beach. I don't remember what model it is, but I did a review of a Turtle Beach headset, and it was literally just one cuff in the head in the mic. Those were perfect for literally just chat. These are an all-around headset. So, for one, perfect fit on your head, perfect fit. And then you got the mic that literally, when you move it, wherever you move it and stick it, that's where it stays, and it detaches. Like, how many heads? Well, the more expensive ones, the headset, the mic detaches. But how many budget headsets do you know can say that they have a detachable mic? And then on top of that, the sound quality in these are as if you have the sound quality of a high-end headset, because you can hear the game, you can hear the chat all mushed together like perfectly, like it's put together perfectly. You can hear every explosion, you can hear every detail. If someone is coming towards you from somewhere from over to your left, you can hear it literally in the left ear cup. If they're coming from the right, you can hear it from the right ear cup. If they're coming from behind you, it sounds as if they're coming from behind you. Like, it's perfect. Like, as you can see, I'm in love with this headset. And like I said, it's a budget headset. It's only $49.99. Let me say it again. Well, when I got it was $49.99. I think it's more than that now. I think it's up to $59.99, but it might still be $49.99 because MLK Day is coming up and President's Day is coming up. So you might end up getting it on sale. But all I gotta say is, get you a pair of these headphones. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention: there's noise canceling in these headphones. Especially seeing that they're closed back, but there's noise canceling. It's not all the way noise canceling, but it's enough where it blocks out enough of the outside sound. And then when you are playing the game, all you hear is the game. Like, even if you want to hear what someone is saying to you when they coming up to you, all you do is just dial down the volume on the back of the headset, and you can hear what the person is saying. It'll still be a little muffled because, like I said, it's a little bit of noise canceling in the headset, but you'll be able to hear what they're saying to you if they're staying right in front of you. But if you turn up the volume all the way, you're not hearing anything outside of the headphones. All you're hearing is what's inside of the headphones. So I really suggest these headphones for anyone, especially if you're on a budget. This is the perfect headset to get if you're on a budget. Now, there is another budget set of headphones that's out by, what is it called? Astro. That's $49.99. The Astro 10s. I'm planning on getting a pair of those and doing an unboxing and doing a review, and then I'm going to do a comparison between the two. I'm going to do a comparison of this with the to the Astro 10s, and basically weigh out which ones I think technically are better. But yeah, with that has been this video, And I catch you on. Oh, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, please, because that will help me out, and this will help, and it will help you out in the future. And with that, this has been this video. Catch you later. Peace.